Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're actually gonna log into our platform. What you're gonna do for me, you're gonna download. So click on download. That's what you got in the email. So you click on that download and install the MT5. So click on that now for me, please.
Oh, you can't see it? That's what I'm doing.
No, 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 no. Click on the download. Have you clicked on it?
I have.
Okay, I'm not seeing it at the moment. So what you need to do is stop sharing and then start sharing again. So stop sharing and then start sharing again, okay? And then start sharing again. Okay, yeah, that's it. It's downloading at the moment. Well done.
Can you
Okay,
see?
yeah. Yeah, I can see that. No, that's not what we want, right? We're going to, we don't want this bit. So you don't have to sign up with this bit because that's not the bit that we're going to sign up with. So what you do, just minimize that for me.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay. Okay, so minimize it. Just click on the minimize button. Not yet that one yet. That's it. Okay.
I've probably got too many things. Can you still see?
No, no, I'm not seeing it because remember, it's the screen that you're sharing. What you need to do, you need to share your screen. So that means no matter what comes up, because you're sharing particular items, so you've got to share like your general screen, and then we'll be able to see anything, everything that you're doing on your computer.
Okay.
So stop sharing and then go back and share because notice I can, whatever I'm doing is always showing on my computer. So just share your main screen.
Okay. Yeah, 1 minute.
Thank you. No, no problem. No worries.
I have too many things open.
Okay, so this is where we are now, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to we're gonna no, we're gonna go to connect with an existing account. So click on connect with an existing account. Yeah, and then you're gonna go to your email. So go back to your email now.
I printed it. What am I looking for?
Huh?
Um,
So go back to your email. And then you're gonna copy. No, scroll back up, scroll back up. You're gonna copy the no wait, come on down, come on down. And then you're gonna copy that trading account number. So copy that trading, no, come down, scroll down, no, scroll down,
put it on
scroll
a
down.
bit of paper.
Okay, no, I'm just saying, just copy and paste it. Just copy and paste, much quicker and easier. So copy and paste, copy that bit, highlight it, and then copy, and then paste it in there. The top one where it said login. Click back in there, and then and then paste, and then go to the account number, and then go to the password. Now make sure in the real account you don't use that password there, since you have exposed it to everyone. Okay, and then go to that one now, and then copy the trading password. And then paste it there, paste in the password, and then basically, and then click finish.
Incoming mail.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, now we're gonna make it bigger. So this is what we call a MetaTrader 5 platform. Okay, so we call a MetaTrader 5 platform. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna look at the chart. We're gonna try and learn the different parts of the chart. Okay, and so on. Okay, and then your homework will be you're gonna basically do some labeling of the chart itself. Okay, so let's close. We're gonna click on the X. Those charts that you see there. We're gonna click on the X of those. So click on the X there. Click on the next X. Click on the next one, but don't click on the final. Oh, okay. All right.
Sorry.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine. What I want you to do now, where you can see Aussie USD. So where you see that Aussie USD, click on it and then drag it there. Excellent. Yeah, thank you. So make it bigger now. That's it. Brilliant. Now there are different parts of the chart that I want you to look at now. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and set up the template here. Okay. So we're gonna try and set up a template. We're gonna try and set up a template now, what we call a blank template.
Template.
A blank template, so nothing on it, just the candles alone. So on that chart, what we're looking at now, we're looking at candles. Okay, and I'm going to talk to you more about the candles. But for now, we're just going to set up our template and make our template looks really nice. So right click on the chart for me, please. That's what we call a chart. And then they're going to scroll down to properties. Scroll down to properties at the bottom. And then what we're going to do now, okay, now we're going to go to show.
May I ask questions as you go?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So you're calling these things candles?
Yeah.
Okay. What are these bits here?
Those are called wicks.
And what do they represent?
They represent how high the market went for that particular day or how low the market went for that particular day. However, I'm going to share with you all of those things, right?
Okay.
But the first thing we need to do is to make sure we get our colors right and our background in a way that we, it's simpler. So if you go and show for me, and we're going to uncheck grid lines. Uncheck grid lines, show grid lines. Yeah, that one, yeah. We're also going to uncheck show where's it? Tick volume. Yep. Click OK. Okay. Now what we're gonna do now? So you see it's plain and it's just like that, but I don't really like when the background is black, so like that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get you to change. So right click on the chart and then go back to properties, and then we're gonna go to colors. Now we're gonna have what you see the screen. It's got green, black, but we're gonna leave that. We're gonna change the background to white. Change the background to white. So all the bottom right, yeah. And then we're gonna change the foreground to black. Top left. And then what we're gonna do now, you see, we're gonna leave that as gray. But when we say bar up means that for that particular day, the candles went up. So therefore, if you bought Tesco would be like up on that particular day. So Tesco share price went up. Okay. So click on, we're gonna make bar up be green. So go click in it and you're gonna change that to green. That's it. And then where it says bar down, it means that, for example, if you bought Tesco share and Tesco, the price of one share of Tesco went down, we're saying bar down means the market went down. That means it dropped. It was lower. So click on red for me for that one. And then bull candle means it's going up. Bull, if you notice the bull, when the bull is going, it goes down and then up to hit into the hair, yeah. Whereas the bear will go down.
So leave it as it is?
No, you're gonna change that. We're gonna change that to green. So bull candle will be green.
Any green or the same green?
Not the same green. And the bear, what do you think? The bear, if you notice bear, they stand above and they come down to slap you in the head. So the bear now is gonna be down. So that's going down. So we're gonna put that red. Okay. And then what we're gonna do, we'll just leave the others as they are for now. Then click OK. Okay, so that's now, so we've got red candle, meaning that the market went up. And we've got green candle, which means that the market went up, and we've got red candle, that means the market went down. Okay, so every time you see a red candle, the market went down, and if every time you see a green candle, the market went up. Okay, now what we're gonna do, because we don't want to be doing this all the time, we would like to have this all the time. Yeah, we don't want to be every time setting up like this. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is you're gonna right click on the chart, and then go to templates. Go to template, come down to template. Yeah, that's it. And you're gonna go save template. And then when you go to save template, you're gonna put Shirley's blank template. Okay, and then press save. And then press save. And then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna come off this one, and we're gonna go back where we see the market watch. This is where you've got Australian USD, Euro USD. We're gonna tell you all about those things. But you're gonna go to New Zealand USD. So go to New Zealand, just move your cursor onto, yeah, just click on it. And I want you to right click on it. No, don't drag it on it. I want you to right click on it. And then I want you to go to chart window. Click on chart, yeah, click on chart window. Okay, can you see how, if we were to do that again, then that's gonna be too time consuming, yeah? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna right click on the chart. We're gonna go to templates. We're gonna go down to templates, and then we're gonna go to Shirley blank template. So now can you see we've got a red and green candles?
Yes.
So we don't so now that we've created our template, we've got exactly what we need there that we're going to be using to do our trades, right? Now the next stage now we're at, okay, is I'm just going to be asking some questions now, just to make sure that I can clear up any sort of misunderstanding or anything that people want to ask now. Okay, right now, Luke, can you hear me? Luke?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was it? What were you asking now?
So before you did something, it was all like lines. But how do you change it to be bars?
Oh, okay, now when you say Shirley, go back to please, Shirley, please go back to and get a different currency pair on for me, please. No, don't drag and pull it. Just right click and put chart window. And then chart window. Okay, now Luke, what are you saying now? What are you talking about now? Just look at this one and tell me.
So when you first opened it, it
Yeah.
was like all lines, and then you press like properties or something, and they changed it to like candles and bars or whatever.
Yeah, but that's what we've got there. We've got candles and we've got bars, and we follow some steps to get this done. So I'm not
how
sure.
do you change it?
How do we change it? So did you see what we're doing? Did you see the steps Shirley followed?
Yeah, I missed the first part, but I changed all the colors and saved the template.
Okay, no. If you want, what you could do in the meantime. Yeah, so I see what you're talking about. If you take a screenshot of your laptop or your screen,
yeah,
and then put it in the WhatsApp group now, and I'll actually have a look at it and tell you. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm not sure like what you're saying. Is it that you want to get those grid lines off?
So basically, at the moment, it's sort of like just lines spiking up and down. And
Oh,
it isn't like bars.
Okay. Oh, so it's not. You're not getting bars. Okay. Now, Shirley, this is what you're gonna do now for me, Shirley. So Shirley, you know that where you see new order, Can you see new order at the
Where am I supposed to be
top?
looking for?
It's below, it's where you see the word, the top left hand corner, top, and to the right. No, move to the right, 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 and down slightly, down slightly. No, 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 no. Go back, go back, go back, go back to the right, 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 and then down now. And then to the right of that, click on that one. No, no, not that one. Click on the one next to it. The next, yeah, that one, yeah. Click on that one. Just click on that one. Yeah. Just click on it. No, left click on it. Left click. Does it look like that, Luke?
I think it looks more like zigzaggy.
No, it looks okay. Oh, has he dropped it in the chat?
No, but I remember seeing it.
Okay, click on that one. Click on the next one. Click on the one in the middle now. So this one is what we call, now click on the one in the middle. That's what we call bars. Okay, so that's like give you a bar chart. Now this one is a line. So that the candlestick. Okay, so click on the next one now, which is a line graph. Click on the line graph. That's a line chart. So Luke, does it look anything like that?
It was more jagged.
Or jagged? I'm not sure. You will have to probably send it through
Yeah,
to me.
I've sent it in there.
Okay, all right, let me have.
That's the one he's got.
Okay, let me see. Is that the one? So Luke, you need to just press
Yeah.
on the. I'm going to show you where you need to press. You need to press on the bars. Okay. So let me see what it looks like now. Okay, yeah. So Luke, what has happened there? You're using bars instead of So what you got to do now? So right. So what you're gonna do now, Luke? You're gonna go to the top there. Shirley, can you show him where he needs to click to get the candles? Go back to that place there. Yeah, that's it. That's where you get the candles. Click on that. That's where you get the candles. So Luke, can you click on that now so you can see if you get the candles?
Not working.
Okay, are you on a laptop?
Oh wait, where is it? New order. It doesn't look the same.
No, but remember we have actually gone back on the old chart just to make it look slightly different for you. Okay, so go down back to those charts on the bottom, scroll down to the bottom there. Just move your cursor all the way and then to the left now. Yeah, that's it. Click on any one of those now. And then go back up to the top now and change it from candle to bars. So go to the left now, go to the left to bars. Yeah, bar chart. Yeah, click on that. Does it look like that, Luke?
It's not changing anything.
Okay, Luke, are you on a laptop?
I'm on a PC.
Yeah, so can you share your screen so I can actually look and see what you're doing?
Okay.
Okay, so Shirley, what we're gonna do, if you stop sharing, and then let me see what Luke's computer looks like, yeah? Okay, look, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna enlarge it slightly. So scroll up to the top now, and we're gonna go to magnify. Yeah, click on that. Zoom in. Yeah, that's it. Because it was zoned out, yes, you made it a bit smaller. That's the reason I wasn't seeing it. So click on the plus again. Click on the plus. Yeah, so that's it now. Yeah, so it's just that it was smaller. Yeah, so it was so hover over that plus sign and the minus sign. What does it say there? It says zoom out and zoom in. So if you click on the plus now, you can make it big, yeah, or you can make it smaller, depending on how much. Now, what we now need to do is to get those grid lines off now. So what you're gonna do, right click on the chart, and then go to properties. Go to properties. Actually, you don't have to go into properties. Come off this. Let me show you a quicker way of doing it. So right click on the chart.
Yeah.
And then where you see grid line, uncheck grid line. And then that's it. Now, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna basically right click on the chart.
Yeah.
And then what I want you to go to save template, and then we're gonna update your templates. Go to template. Right now, right click on the chart, template. And then go to save template. And then you're just gonna click on Luke's blank template, and then we update that's gonna update our template.
Okay.
Excellent. So Luke, what we're gonna do next now, we're gonna try and learn a few parts of the platform. Okay, and what you're gonna do for homework you're gonna basically either screenshot it, you print screen it, and then you're gonna label the different parts. Now, what you're gonna do for me now, Luke, because this is
Yeah.
the homework that you're gonna be at an advantage because you're gonna end up doing your homework right now. Okay, so look what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to print screen for me, please. So go into search and go for print screen.
Snipping tool.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah, snipping tool, yeah. And search for the
Yeah.
snipping, yeah, and then get that up now.
Yeah.
Is it up?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're gonna do, Luke, you've got to not share only the that screen. You understand? You've got to go to share again, go back to share, and you're gonna share
Oh, I
your
see.
main screen. So therefore, everything that you do, I'll be able to see.
Okay. Yes. Let me stop sharing. And then share. Screen. So it's this.
Okay, right. So what you're gonna do now? You're gonna basically yeah. So you've got this now. What we're gonna do? Wait, what do you do now?
Save template.
Oh, you didn't save it.
Oh, I did.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna look at some different parts now of it. Yeah. So the first thing you know, bottom left hand corner, where you see bottom left, where you see the word trade. Wait, scroll
Trade.
down. No, trade.
Oh,
Did it? Yeah, click on that. Okay, can you see how much money you've got the balance and you've got the
yeah.
equity? The balance is how much money is available in your account. The equity is how much money that you can trade at that particular moment. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what I want you to do now for me, yeah? I
Yeah.
want you to get the snippet tool for me.
Yeah.
And what I want you to do now, click on new, and then I want you to highlight, click on new. I want to highlight from left to right, all the way from left to right. Okay, so we're gonna highlight some key areas, and everybody, this is what you're gonna do for homework. So go to the snipping tool. Is this the snipping tool bit there that we've got there?
Some reason it didn't show. Do that.
Okay,
Yeah.
right, brilliant. So let's make it bigger now. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna highlight different areas. So you've got the trade, you've also got what we call, so what we're gonna do, remember, can you remind me? You can just write on it, you should be able to just write. If you click on it, you should be able to write on it. Yeah. Change it to your writing, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Try and see if we can write. Write Luke for me under. Write Luke. Excellent. Well done. Nice handwriting as well. Okay, Luke. Right. So what I want you to do now for me, Luke. We've looked at a few things so far. And we used two of the button. What buttons have we used so far? We used the what? Remember we used the
What do you mean?
remember we used zoom
Oh yeah, the zoom
out and zoom in. So can
in.
you highlight? So highlight those two regions for me, please. No.
Okay.
So yes, you're gonna draw a line from it. No. So no. Just we're gonna draw a line from each. And we're gonna put zoom in and zoom out.
Oh,
So you hide, because what we want to do, we want to be able to identify the different regions on our chart.
so just draw
Yeah.
a line and then
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna put, that's what, zoom.
Oh. Zoom. In. And then that zoom. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now then we've got, now see what the next bit we're gonna highlight is the market watch. So you see the market watch over the left hand side?
Where?
The market watch to the left, down. That's the market watch. Market watch is where you find the symbols.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so this bit there is where you find the symbols. So highlight that region now.
Okay.
and just put the market watches where you find the symbols. Okay, so all the symbols are there.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to the next bit that we spoke about, which is the trade. So go to trade.
Yeah.
And that when you click on the trade, it tells you the balance and equity. So trade,
Okay.
look, the trade, go to trade, just draw an arrow to trade.
Yeah.
And so that's the trade will find the balance and equity.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and then what else? What else have you learned today? You've got the red. You've got the red candle and the green candle. What did I say happened? What happens when we see a red candle?
That means it's down bar.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a down bar.
Down.
Yeah. So so the market went down.
Okay. So market went down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we've got a green bar now. So let's highlight a green bar.
Okay.
Any green bar you want to.
Yeah.
What do they say about a green bar then?
Market went up.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. So what we're gonna do now, because we've got 10 minutes left. I'm gonna show you one more thing there, and it's a time frame. Okay, no, actually, no, I'm gonna leave the time frame. Okay, I'm gonna leave the time frame. This, guys, is your homework. This is what I want you to all do. I need to get to this point on your grid. Okay. Yeah, I need you to all get to this point on your grid. Okay. So what I needed to do now for me, I'm gonna basically ask some questions now. Thank you very much for that, Luke. Outstanding, well done. Yeah, that was really well done. Thank you, Luke. So I'm just gonna be asking some questions now. Okay, so Shirley, any questions?
Not from tonight.
Okay, Chantal. Chantal, any questions?
Hi, sorry, not right now.
Huh?
Not right now, thank you.
You're welcome. And Deborah, any questions?
No, thank you, Alan.
You're welcome. Fatima, any questions? Fatima? Fatima, are you there? Okay. Jay, any question? Jay, any question? Okay. Luke, have I answered all of your questions already?
So with homework.
Yeah, the homework. Yeah, you're pretty much. No, okay. Yeah, just send it to the chat. Yeah.
Okay.
Maya, what did you say now? Maya. I was unsure how to get onto the trade market. What do you mean by trade market, Maya? Maya? Maya, you there? Okay. Guys, you can't be shy now, actually. Let me go to Randy. Randy, any question?
No, I'm good, thanks.
Okay, and yeah. You could not get onto the grid. What do you mean? You know, let me tell you, you know, one of the thing, right? When we were in lockdown, right? And I was teaching my lessons to students at the school. And while I was teaching, like the children, they were literally scared as hell to answer any questions. They're just scared to talk. So when I went back into school and I was talking to them, I said, "Sir, I was so scared to talk because I don't know how I sounded, and you know, I don't want people to probably hear my voice and feel any way or say anything. So I'm just saying, don't be scared to talk. You know, nobody's gonna judge you. You know, and well, you know, it's people shouldn't even judge really because you know it's not necessary. But what I want is I don't want anybody inside to feel because I'm a very interactive teacher, and what I want is I want my students to be talking to me and you know and having discussion with me. Yeah, Fatima, we're still here. I was talking to you just now. Fatima, have you got any question? Fatima? Fatima, are you there?
I don't think she can hear you, Marlon, because she's put a note in the chat to say, is everyone still here?
Yeah, but I'm not even sure. Okay, yeah, okay. Can you let me see. Let me yes, we are. Okay, guys, now but so guys, this is what I'm saying then. Yeah, it's really important. Yeah, it's really important that we understand that, you know, if you're gonna do this course with me, then I need you to be serious. Also, if you're not in the WhatsApp group yet, just let me know and I'll add you to the list. Okay. So far.
Marlon,
Yeah.
sorry. I'm just looking at the WhatsApp list. This is the Forex swing trade, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't see last week's video
Okay, what
online.
I'll do, I'll re-put it in so you can have it. Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, your speaker broke. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. But if you could get that sorted, because as I said, I love the whole interaction. I love talking to people. And those, you know, I was like, I need someone to talk to me right now. That's why I got them. I got them said, Jake, start talking now, you know. So and also it just, you know, just gets people focusing and listening and participating. But anyway, guys, without further ado, thank you very much for your participation today. And just make sure you get the homework done and then post it in the WhatsApp group. I didn't bother go with Telegram because when I was searching for some of the numbers in Telegram, I wasn't finding it. But because some people had contacted me via WhatsApp, it's much easier. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your participation, and I look forward to seeing you all next week. And make sure you post your homework in the chat, please. Thank you.
Thank you, Marlon.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Yeah. Bye.